Hi, this is János, it's Revered Audio, and I have great news. As you remember, I've been talking about the LePetit, a small cabinet build with a tiny driver, a 4-inch driver, that is Jean Hiraga's creation. And I had a series on it, and now I'm getting feedback that some of you have actually built it and sharing the experiences with it. And Jürgen is the first who built it, and he was fantastic because he has shared photos from the build and also sound samples. So this week I'm going to share with you 7 sound samples with 7 photos. So what I'm going to do is that he shared the recordings with me, and I'm just going to show them to you as I receive them. So I'm not going to edit, cut them, because that's going to degrade the sound quality further. So I don't want to do any additional processing step to just take the sound away from how it sounded. So some of them are really short, but all in all, they are different songs and really showcasing this beautiful little speaker. And I will put in a picture as a thumbnail for the start of this video. That is Jürgen's LePetit, and he's been sharing with me his initial impressions, and he loves them. That's how I could summarize it in one word. And also he has been experiencing that issue with the Fostex, new Fostex driver, the FE 103 NV, that compared to the one that Hiraga used, the Sigma, which you cannot buy anymore, here there is a drop at and a peak at 1 kilohertz and 2 kilohertz. So that peakiness and droppiness, that issue with that 1 to 2 kilohertz region, he's hearing it, but it's I think it's improving as the driver is breaking in. Also, at the beginning of the break-in, there was no bass coming from the cabinets, and now it's up to you to decide whether there is bass or not from the videos. But I heard much bigger speakers producing way less bass, and so they really can rock. They can kick ass. They have really solid foundation, and they are pretty astounding little speakers. But you can tell it for yourself, and whether you are inspired or not by Jürgen's amazing adventures. I am certainly inspired. And I have to add that Nelly will listen. Actually, I've already uploaded these videos, but they are not made public yet, so I will release them over the course of the week. And we have already checked them out with Nelly on my big system on the Voice of Lancelot, and she said that they sound really good. So Jürgen, you get the thumbs up from Nelly, and she told me to make sure that I share with all of you that the speakers, the drivers in those speakers are just 10 centimeter, 4-inch drivers. These really tiny drivers, and those are cranking out that amazing level of bass that you are hearing. So just everyone be aware of that what is happening here. And I think for that now I will just finish this video. Thank you Machi for helping me, and so you can tune in for these fantastic little sound samples coming. And by the way, Jürgen has already contacted me that the speakers have just reached another stage of the break-in, and they stepped up significantly since the time that you are going to hear these videos about. So you are going to hear these, and since then they have already stepped up. he had already had when for these videos that I'm posting, a week and a half of hard break-in, like really loads of hours put in during a week and a half. And then since then there will be one more week. So this is not how the speakers will sound like a year from now. This is how they sound at the early stage of break-in. So please take that into consideration as well. And also, he's using Fostex driver, and Fostex is take an awful lot of time to really break in and settle down. So that's why I am emphasizing here the break in more than usual. There are some drivers that don't need as much break-in as Fostex is in general. So for example, the Cube Audio driver, it broke in, I would say it reached a really nice level very fast during the break-in period. However, it's also a little bit tricky because it went through that rough edges, so it's lost all the rough edges during the first, let's say, first 20 hours, no more. But then it's taking it like after months and months, it's significantly stepping up from them. But now there's no more rough edges, and those really big step ups will affect you if you have an extremely high level front end and amplification. So for most of you who have like a normal system, you will have a big change through the first 20 hours, but then just really gradual little things. For the Fostexes, for all levels of systems, it doesn't matter what sources and amplification you are using, you're going to have big improvement over months, periods. So what you're going to hear with these sound samples is break-in after a week and a half. So thank you, Jürgen, so much for sending me these sound samples, these videos and the photos. I much appreciate them, and I hope you dear viewers, you will also appreciate it, and thank Jürgen for sharing it with us. Also, if you are doing LePetit builds or speaker builds, or and you would like to share it with the channel, with the viewers, with your fellow audiophiles, just please contact me and send it to me, and I will post it. And thank you so much. Thank you, Jürgen. And for the rest of the week, enjoy Jürgen's sound samples. Please like, subscribe. Bye bye.